the benefits of not having to transfer data between system. That's the main thing here. That
Hmm.
means that you avoid the human error, you avoid or you reduce the cost that you have for it, and really it's these errors. They can be pretty costly when we are talking about
Hmm.
not being able to produce the component because of missing component in the bill of material.
Hmm.
Uh, these kind of things is serious thing, or maybe engineer already have made a new revision and improved design, and not getting that into the ERP is really the costly thing
Hmm.
that we can provide here. And then of course it's the visibility that provides that you can shorten down the time on the non-added or the non-value added processes that is around getting the bill of materials and the data to operations. That's
Hmm.
really nobody likes to sit and type the bill of material again when engineering already have done it.
Yes, of
Uh,
course.
why do we need to do it again? So
Yes.
that's really where we can slim down the time, and then of course the visibility is important.
Hmm. Well, interestingly enough, I started my career as running a design department in an engineering company in a pump company, and the engineering
Yeah.
design department was my responsibility. I was responsible for drafting, design, and bills of material entry into an old MRP system back when everything was an MRP, not an
Yeah.
ERP, called Man. For all you out there who may have experience with Man, hi, let's connect on LinkedIn and talk about it someday. But I had a team of people, and we were doing designs on paper, big
Mhm.
drafting boards. This was back in 1989. And we were doing bills of material on a green screen through terminal access, where we would enter and transcribe everything into it. And it actually took quite a bit of skill, from my team to be able to understand exactly what they were looking at, to be able to know
Mhm.
where to find all of the different parts, how to create them, enter them, and make sure that they were right. And did we have errors? Of course we had errors. We surely did. And it took, I had a team of, I would say, about 10 people just for this
Mhm.
process alone. Interestingly enough, one of my first challenges within the company was to take us from paper to 2D CAD and
Yeah.
2D CAM back in the day. And that was our first step toward, today, what, the tools that we're using, what we're using solid modeling, which has integrated capabilities to build out bills of material and that sort of thing. And now you're talking about being able to take out that middle person
Mhm.
and be able to transfer that directly into your system. So hence the
Yep.
shortened time and the human errors and that sort of thing. Of course, there's still possibility for errors, but it's certainly a whole lot less likely if we remove that middle effort.